Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you a few organizing tips to make your upper kitchen cabinet more accessible. So it's very important what you keep in your cabinet. It needs to work for the way you use your kitchen. So in this case, this is kind of where I do my prepping for baking because my stand mixer is here. So that explains why this first shelf I have all my baking stuff. Here's my baking soda, some salt and flour. So the first tip I want to share is that if you have a container like this bread pan, a lot of times I find this just being an odd shape that's hard to store because most of the baking stuff is like a cookie sheet. It's flat and you can file it. So because this is not used as often, I actually basically repurpose it as a container. So I have my coconut sugar in here, I have my little silicone cups stacked inside, some cinnamon and things. So everything that's related to my baking needs is really close to the stand mixer. This is also a spiralizer for vegetables, and I keep it where my KitchenAid stand mixer is because they go together. Now, anything above that I can't reach. And so I keep this is a really cool little step stool because it pops open and when it's closed it doesn't take up a lot of space. So I keep this handy and that way I can get to the other cabinets I want. So what I'd like to show you is all those little tools, attachments for my mixture goes inside this box. It's not very organized, but it doesn't have to be because when I need it, it's super easy for me to take this whole box out and get whichever one I need and pop the whole thing back. And I think if you watch my other video, you'll remember that I got extra shelves for my kitchen cabinet so that all these becomes customized spaces for the things that I need. So another tip with this, so this is the bottom of a photo box that's covered with fabric. Well, the lid I use in another part of the kitchen to hold the vitamins. So this is just a lid for that box and all the vitamins fit in here because a lot of times if you just keep the bottles loose in the cabinets, when you need like, oh, I want this vitamin or I want the other one, it gets very messy very quickly. This way, they all stay within this boundary, and it makes it super easy when you need it. You just take it out from the cabinet, take out whatever you need, and then you put the whole thing back. So those are my tips for how you can organize, how you can think about what to put in which cabinet, and yeah, repurposing the boxes. I hope you find these tips helpful, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.